The 7 Baby Steps to Financial Freedom. This video will explain the 7 baby steps to financial freedom. It will explain the importance of each step and why it is crucial to take each step in order. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom? If so, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a proven plan to transform your financial life, Dave Ramsey's 7 Baby Steps. It's a simple, yet powerful strategy that has helped millions of people achieve their financial goals. This plan guides you out of the rat race, living paycheck to paycheck, to living debt-free and payment-free, so you can live the life you want and be able to invest in your future.
Step 1. A $1,000 emergency fund.
This crucial first step serves multiple purposes. It safeguards you from unexpected financial emergencies, boosts your confidence, and ensures funds are reserved for future steps. Save $1,000 and deposit it into a separate savings account. This fund is exclusively for emergencies. Do not use it for any other purpose. Step 1. Save $1,000. This provides a financial safety net against unexpected expenses. This can help you avoid high-interest debt, reduce stress, and maintain financial stability during challenging times.
Step 2. Pay off all debt.
Next, it's time to tackle debt. List all your debts, from smallest to largest. Pay minimum payments on all debts except the smallest one. Attack the smallest debt with as much extra money as possible. Once it's paid off, roll that money into the next smallest debt. This is called the debt snowball method. By focusing on the smallest debts first, you can quickly gain a sense of accomplishment. This early success can boost your motivation and make it easier to stick to your debt repayment plan. As you pay off each small debt, you free up money to allocate towards the next one. Step 2. Pay off all debt. Paying off debt frees you from the burden of monthly payments. This gives you more control over your finances and allows you to allocate your money towards savings, investments, or other goals. 2. Once you've paid off your debts, you'll have more money to spend on things you enjoy, such as travel, hobbies, or retirement savings. 3. By eliminating debt, you're taking a proactive step towards long-term financial security. You'll be better prepared to handle unexpected expenses and achieve your financial goals.
Step 3. 3 to 6 months of expenses.
Once you're debt-free, it's time to build a larger emergency fund, ideally covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This will provide a stronger financial cushion. A substantial emergency fund provides a safety net against unexpected financial challenges, such as job loss, medical emergencies, or major home repairs. An emergency fund can offer the flexibility to seize opportunities, whether it's starting a business or investing in real estate. In times of financial hardship, an emergency fund can prevent you from resorting to high-interest credit cards or loans, saving you money in the long run. Step 3. 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Building an emergency fund can help you develop better financial habits, such as budgeting, saving, and avoiding unnecessary spending. Knowing you have a financial cushion can alleviate stress and anxiety, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life without worrying about money. Knowing you're prepared for life's uncertainties can provide a sense of peace and security, allowing you to live a more fulfilling life.
Step 4. Invest 15% of your income.
Now that you are debt-free and payment-free except for your home, it's time to grow your wealth. Invest 15% of your household income into investment accounts and retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. This will help you build a secure financial future. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or traveling the world, investing can help you achieve your financial goals. Step 4. Invest 15% of your income. Investing 15% of your income allows you to build a substantial nest egg for retirement and other long-term goals. Over time, your investments can grow exponentially due to the power of compounding interest. By consistently investing 15% of your income, you can set yourself up for a financially secure future.
Step 5. Save for your children's college education.
If you have children, start saving for their college education. Consider a 529 plan or other college savings vehicles. Saving for your children's college can open up more educational opportunities for your child, allowing them to attend their dream school or pursue specific programs. Step 5. Save for your children's college education. Saving for college can encourage your child to pursue higher education and set them up for future success. By starting early and saving consistently, you can make a significant impact on your child's future. If you do not have children or plan on having children, you can skip this step.
Step 6. Pay off your home early.
Paying off your mortgage eliminates a significant monthly expense, freeing up your budget for other priorities. like retirement savings, investing, or travel. Over the life of a mortgage, you'll pay a substantial amount of interest. Paying off your mortgage early can save you thousands of dollars in interest costs. Step 6. Paying off your mortgage significantly boosts your net worth, making you financially more secure. Owning your home outright provides a sense of security and reduces stress related to financial obligations. If you don't have a mortgage or plan on having one, you can also skip this step.
Step 7. Build wealth and give.
By this point, you've achieved financial stability through debt payoff and savings. Now, you can focus on growing your wealth and securing your financial future. Remember, building wealth and giving should go hand in hand. By using your wealth to help others, you can make a positive impact on the world. Step 7. Build wealth and give. Investing can help protect your wealth from the effects of inflation, which can erode the purchasing power of your savings over time. Investing your wealth wisely allows you to continue growing your financial resources and achieving your long-term goals. By building wealth and giving generously, you can leave a lasting legacy for your family and future generations.
If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also check out this video about how Trump will boost the economy.